Retire like a genius.
Life settlement solutions for aging in place, assisted living, and extended care. Professionals working with seniors and families in need of home care, assisted living, or extended long-term care can access another financial tool they can use to help their clients confronting the unique challenges of aging and declining health. Millions of seniors own life insurance policies that after making premium payments for years, they will lapse or surrender without realizing their policy is actually an asset that has life settlement value. Instead of letting clients needlessly throw away one of their most valuable assets, a life settlement becomes a way to help unlock the hidden value of their policy to add more liquid resources to their retirement. Life insurance policies are one of the most valuable assets that Americans own. And with all of the advertising people see every day, life settlements have become a mainstream financial option that more people are aware of now than ever before. Life settlements are being used as a tool to address a number of financial needs for seniors, including paying for long-term care with tax-advantaged funds as part of a Medicaid qualified spend-down, funding investments and annuities, adding more liquidity to retirement accounts, or extending a paid-up death benefit without any more premium payments. The Retirement Genius Life Settlement Direct program is a fee-based, no-load life settlement that can pay a referral fee based on the size of the policy to advisors without any special licensing requirements.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.